Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix Telegram error. Copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Telegram app on your phone. Now you need to open any channel, and if you want to forward something and it's showing that error, don't worry, you just need to click on this share icon and copy link. Now we need to go back to the chat room. So here it is. Click on the search bar and search for save restricted contents. And click on this blue key picture and click start. Now here you just need to paste the link that you copied earlier, and they will send back the photo. Now here you can freely share it, forward it to whoever you wanted. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.